type a sentence, get a professional video, no camera, no actors, no editing, and honestly, it sounds impossible until you see it. Synthesia takes your text, literally just typed words, and turns it into a video of a human avatar speaking your script in over 160 languages. I've been testing it for a week, and here's what nobody's telling you. The avatars aren't creepy anymore. They blink, they gesture, they make eye contact. If you didn't know it was AI, you'd think it was a real person filmed in a studio. Now here's where it gets interesting. Companies are using this for training videos, product demos, onboarding sequences, content that used to require a film crew, a studio, an actor, and an editor. All of that gone. You type, you click generate, and you get a video in minutes. The cost difference is insane. A single training video used to cost $2,000 to $5,000 to produce. Synthesia does it for the price of a subscription. But let me tell you what actually surprised me. The multi-language thing isn't just a gimmick. You type in English and the same avatar speaks fluent Japanese, Spanish, Arabic, whatever you need. Same avatar, same voice tone, different language. That alone kills the need for translation voiceovers. And the custom avatar feature? You can clone yourself, record 2 minutes of footage, and Synthesia creates a digital you that can say anything in any language. Full disclosure. I didn't expect that to work. It does. Okay, so here's the honest part. Synthesia isn't perfect. It's not replacing cinematic videos or anything that needs emotion and real human performance. The avatars are great for informational content, tutorials, explainers, corporate training, but you're not making a Netflix show with this, and the free tier gives you a limited preview, so you'll need to see if it fits your use case before committing. So who's this actually for? If you make training videos, onboarding content, product explainers, or anything instructional, this saves you hours and thousands of dollars. If you're a solo creator who doesn't want to be on camera, this is your answer. And if you need the same video in multiple languages, there's nothing else that does it this fast. The link is in the description. Try the free preview and see for yourself. And subscribe. I test AI tools every week so you don't have to waste time on the bad ones.